Let's do this. Let's check the main living area. Look at this. Wow, that is a massive island there. And I like that they use a lot of lighting here, like the recessed lighting. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are back here in Southwest Las Vegas by KB Homes, and it's cloudy and windy today, but we needed that rain so that the Lake Mead water will rise. We are going to tour this together, so I am super excited, guys. So please subscribe down below, and also if you're new to the channel, check out my channel page. There's a lot of videos there. Let's tour this home together. All right, guys, this is the home. And as you can see, that is the two-car garage, which is currently their sales office. All right, let's check out this beautiful home by KB Homes here. There are a total of 301 lots that they are going to sell. And there are immediately 8 lots available right now. So if you wanted to take that opportunity, comment down below and I'll help you guys. This is plan 2469. Knock, knock. Ooh, wow, look at this. It's very open. I'm seeing an open floor plan now.
Front door.
See this? You hear the system is already installed. So this is the garage. Right on the left side of the home is your garage, which is currently their office. And this is a coat closet here. Ooh, nice wood flooring here, guys. All right, let's check out what's happening first on the left side, because I'm seeing something here. Ooh, look at your office. Really nice office, guys. I feel that you can actually have this as your first floor bedroom, because if that is the closet, you can definitely have this as your first floor bedroom for guests or in-laws. Let's check out if this is a closet. Yes, it is. Look at this. Yes, definitely. What you can probably do, my suggestion is to close this door so you have a first floor bedroom. The only thing is, this one is only a half bathroom, so I'm not sure if you can extend this to a full bathroom, but definitely appreciated that you have a half bathroom here. Hello, guys. So that's your half bathroom, guys. And we're gonna check out the main living area. Are you excited, guys? Let's do this. Let's check the main living area. Look at this. Wow, that is a massive island there. And I like that they use a lot of lighting here, like the recessed lighting. So I'm gonna go first on this kitchen, guys, so you can see how open it is. Nice cabinetry, 42 inches. I believe, as you can see, guys, you can install those kind of cameras that they installed right now, so you can watch your kids while you're away. And this is the, ooh, this is a pretty good size pantry area. Right? Okay, I'm gonna span slowly so that you can check out this open area. I'm at the corner of this pantry. All right, so this is your kitchen. This is a huge island, guys. Comment down below if you would choose this kind of counter, or if you would use the other KB Homes model that we feature on this channel, where it has that white and gray grains with a waterfall. But this one doesn't have the waterfall. And as you can see, guys, you can fit 4 bar stools here. This is a pretty nice kitchen. Very, very huge. This is your dining. You can fit 6 people here, right, on your dining area. Again, guys, just for your information, they can cover some closing costs. The builder told me, so please let me know if this is something that will interest you. Comment down below. All right, let's check out your backyard. So lot premium here, guys, is between. It looks like they closed because I cannot open it, as you can see, guys. We cannot open it, but here is your backyard. So they told me that you can upgrade this to a full-size home, maximum of $10,000 for your lot premium. So definitely don't be disappointed if you're seeing a very small lot right now. You can definitely purchase a lot premium so that you can make this happen for a full-size lot. All right, are you ready, guys, to see the second floor? Let's check it out. And also, there are available 8 lots, guys, so let me know if you are interested. I can connect you to the builder. Let's see what's happening on the second floor here. Ooh, look at this, very nice. Right, you can have your TV night here before going to bed, or take care of your kids' homework before going to bed. This is a nice open loft area here. Let's check out first what's happening on this side. This is your full bathroom here for your secondary bedrooms. Hi, guys. And you have that standard bathroom, which you can definitely upgrade to a much nicer tile if you want. Hello. And this is your double sink. All right, let's check out what's happening on this side. Ooh, nice. Is this the owner's bedroom? We can find out because it's pretty huge. Maybe not, because I don't see an ensuite bathroom. Wow, if this is a secondary bedroom, this is definitely very, very spacious. It almost feels like a master owner's bedroom, especially when if this is large. This is a large closet. Yeah, it is very large. Yeah, I don't know if this is the owner's bedroom. It looks big for a secondary. Let's check it out. This is your kid's bedroom. Let's open the lights. I think it's a little dark here, maybe because there is only one light there. So if you want, we can ask the builder if you can put recessed lighting here while building the home, because it's going to be very less costly if you put it while you're building the home. If you put this already when completed, it's going to be more expensive. All right, let's check out this bedroom here, another kid's bedroom. So I guess the other one is the owner's, because this is what I'm seeing here as a secondary bedroom. Very spacious, actually. And I like that their closets are pretty big, meaning they are bigger than the most homes that I've seen that have really small closets. Right. So let's see, we can check if that is the owner's bedroom. Oh, you know what? Okay, so it's still a secondary bedroom because I see another bedroom on the other side. So this is still a secondary bedroom. Wow, this is nice. If this is just a secondary bedroom, this looks like an owner's. It's big. Okay, so there are 3 bedrooms, guys, that we looked at already. And that is the shared full bathroom there. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the owners, which is on this side. Yes, this is the owners. But before we go there, this is your laundry area. Again, guys, I'd like to recommend that because your owner's bedroom here is too near the laundry area here, we can ask the builder if you can put like an insulated wall there while building the house. It's probably not gonna cost too much. I did that in Maryland before. It cost me only a few $100s. And then also if you could put like a insulated door here so that it'll lessen the noise of the laundry while doing it. This is your linen closet here. All right, this is your double door going to your owner's bedroom. This is a massive owner's bedroom, guys. Look at this. There's so much space on this side that you can put a really nice seating arrangement so that you can watch TVs or TV. Yeah, so you can watch TV there, put some seating arrangements here, like a small sofa here, I think. Let's check out what's happening on your owner's bathroom. Ooh, love that shower there. Even though it's small, at least you have that seating area there, right? And you can always upgrade this to much nicer tile later on if you want. Ooh, I like this huge window here. You just have to put some blinds later on if you want to enclose so that no one will see you later. Hi guys. And again, you have your double sink, nice flooring here as you can see. I like this counter, very white. Comment down below, guys, if what color of counters do you normally like? I just wanted to hear feedback from you. And this is your separate toilet area. All right, so that's your owner's bathroom. Let's check out what's happening on this side. Ooh, this is huge. Definitely nice size for this square footage. Yeah, this is a really nice size, guys. I think you can share this if you're our husbands and wife, right? Because there's still some areas there where you can put your shoes maybe. Yeah, so this is it's still a good size. It's not the biggest, I would say, but definitely appreciated it. It is a very, very spacious walk-in closet. All right, let's go back to the owner's bedroom here. As you can see, this is your owner's bedroom. So much space on this area, guys. Highly recommend to put a seating arrangement. And this will even get bigger if you put like a really nice flooring, like hardwood or vinyl plank. I like they already have that ceiling there. All right, what do you think, guys? Comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe so that you will see my videos on a daily basis. And I really appreciate your support. We are growing really fast. So really appreciate it, guys. All right, this is once again your main living area. Very open. Lots of seating arrangement for your living room here. Look at this. Your entire family will be able to watch TV while someone is cooking there. Right? You can see everyone here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'd like to invite you to subscribe down below so that you won't miss any of my videos on a daily basis. And if you miss them, the channel page is waiting for you because there's a lot of videos there, so check them out. Again, guys, I'd like to hear your feedback. What do you think of this home? Again, it doesn't hurt if we will negotiate with the builder related to lot premiums or any kind of negotiation. So please Comment down below if you'd like me to connect you to the builder. I'll be happy to help you. Again, guys, thanks so much for your support. Until next time, see you tomorrow on the next video. Yes, tomorrow. See you. Have a great day.